Welcome back to this tutorial. So in the last lesson we made this activity counter app, and you can just check here. So you press calculate, show your results for all this here. Alright, so today we'll be making improvements, and also for this, the code for this one I'll leave it is on my GitHub profile. I'll leave the link in the description below. So today we'll be adding a text here which we say something depending on your results, and also we'll try to add clear button for this. So without wasting much time, let's get started. Alright, so the first thing we should do is adding the clear button, and here for the calculate total score, total, where is it? Okay, up here for the total score. Okay, so we'll have another text button here, text button, and we'll have unpressed, which we take this set state to have something up, set state, and we want our total score to equal 0. Once you press it, our total score will be equal to 0, and we have a child, no, outside the unpressed, so we have a child function here which will be a text, and we have clear. Okay, so if I save this, we'll have the clear button now. Now if I press this to change it to 0, but I don't only want it to be the clear button, so I can also change it for the others, like football equals to 0, and anime equals to 0, code equals to 0. Alright, so let's calculate the total score for this one, and if I press clear, so it is working properly, but I don't want it to be below the calculate total score, so I want it to be beside this. Now you should know what to do. Wrap this around with a row, so let's just wrap with row. Alright, and then we'll move this text button. So to move it easily, just press here, it will collapse it, and then can copy everything like this, Ctrl X. So I'll cut it, and then I will paste it here, Ctrl V. So can uncollapse this now, and if I save it, we have it beside this, but let me move it to the center. So main axis alignment dot center, and this should do. Alright, so now we have it. Let's calculate. Okay, and if we clear it, to clear everything. Okay, so the next thing we want to do now is to have a text under this total score, a text here, and whatever. Okay, so in the text we'll initialize it here, so it will be a string for our text, and we'll have text results equals to, so it will be empty for now, and it will be here. We'll have inside this text, we'll have our text, so we don't need to. Okay, so here we'll have our text here. Alright, so was okay, text results, sorry about that, right? So yes, we have our text result, and you say remove unnecessary string interpolation. So we can interpolation, we can just put it in directly without the dollar sign here. So and if you save this, you see nothing but we have our space here. So can just, what I want you to do is to show results, and we have 3 activities here. So I want our total score to be 150, or depending on the number of times you played football in the day, watch anime and code for 6 hours. So we have 24 hours in a day, so coding for 6 hours, how many times can you code for 6 hours? So that's 4 times. 6 times 4, 24, right? So 4 times. So let's just say you can do this twice, you can do this twice, you can do this twice. The total score will be 300. Total score will be 300. So inside our set states for here, we have if total score is equals to 300. Okay, if total score is equals to 300, we'll have our text will be equals to perfect. So yes, sorry, to be a string, our text result, why am I forgetting this? Our text result will be equals to perfect score. All right, so else if our total score is equals to is greater than 150, yes, greater than 150, or let's make it greater than 100. All right, so where's my greater than sign? Greater than 100 and so let me see this sign. All right, where is this thing? Okay, and total score, and it is less than 300. So total score is greater than, and total score is less than 300. Our text results will be equals to you can do better tomorrow. And the last one, else if our total score is less than and equals to less than 100. Okay, we don't need or equals to 100, because for here we have total score is less than greater than 100. Okay, so less than or equals to 100. Then our text results, what should this be? I don't want to sound disappointed. Okay, let's just put it as I don't know what to say. Okay, so yeah, because our don't, this is the spelling of don't. All right, and our don't has this markup here. I've forgotten what it's called. So we can't use, there are 2 options to it. If you want to use a double quote, okay, double quotes, so I don't, you can use a single quote here. I don't know what to say. Or if you want to go with the single quote you have been using, you just, so here it will be I don't, and since you don't want the single the quotation mark up here to be part of the quoted string, to be part of this quote in front. So you just use this to like comment it out, but we are not really commenting it. Yes, so yeah, don't know what to say. And if we save this now, nothing will happen, but let me see if you calculate total score. All right, so you can do better tomorrow. What if you have here, can do better tomorrow? Let's have 300 perfect score. All right, so if we have this here, wow, why is it showing you can do better tomorrow? Since this is less than 100 total score, oh sorry, this is a greater than sign, less than. So save this and we should have our results here. Else, if total score is less than 100, let me see what's wrong here. This is greater and this is less than. So let me see what's wrong here. Oh, so the problem here is this sign here. This is not the and sign. So here is the and sign, and okay, and saving this now. If you calculate this, so let's just change it. I don't know what to say. And if you save this and press calculate, you see I don't know what to say. So guys, you can also style it, change the font size, make this bigger, add any other feature you want. You can also suggest feature in the comment section. And well guys, I'll also leave this link under my GitHub repositories, and I would love to see what you guys will also build. So after you finish building your own, customize it to your taste, you can leave your link in the comment section. I'll make sure to check it out. Also, don't forget to subscribe to this channel guys, and I will see you in the next lesson.